I want something else to get me through this. Every time I'm alive, baby, baby, I want something else. Not listening when you say. Alright, hey guys, it's been a while. I'm so sorry for not uploading this week at all. I've been busy with like a shit ton of stuff I don't even know why to. Yeah, no, I've been busy with like a lot of stuff. I remember last time I left off, I was doing something with students, with arrays. We were using the scanner class, and then we were also using math operators with if-else statements. I think I'm gonna try recreating that same output. To be honest, I haven't made any sort of progression, so I have to study. I haven't studied. I finished one of my classes with a B. I could have done better. I'm not gonna lie to you, but I have to study for data structures and algorithms, and then on top of that, data structures, I have to do my weekly video, or not weekly, daily video per day with the programming video until I graduate, which I haven't, which sucks really bad. I did get my first comment from honestly a subscriber, but it's just something I feel like I'm more like happy to, I guess, do it right here. We're gonna do this right here. Like for some reason my Learning Java project on chat didn't like I guess work, which is so stupid. But let's do this, you know. I did get a new monitor, so I don't know if you can tell. I moved the camera back down to the other monitor. My monitor that I did had 165 hertz monitor, which broke. It sucks super bad. But you know, at least I have a new monitor. So let's do this. Like, let's finish this. Yeah, I have since I started with the. Let me unlock it, okay? I'm gonna pull up my notes so I can do it proper without actually messing it up. If that makes sense. I should be having this with memory, but I haven't done this in so long. It's like silly me, right? This is proper. So we have our string, right? And then we have the name of our array, right? And then new, right? And then okay, I see where you messed up. I think this would work. Okay, so we have an array with three what's called elements, if that makes sense, and they're open elements, so I guess we can dump them in, and then make like a for loop for it, so we don't have to like necessarily like restructure it. This is a great track. I mean, that's what we have so far. And then we're also gonna need double grade. It does still look a little bit choppy. I feel like I should be able to program way better, but it's whatever, you know. I guess I should be taking day by day, but my brother hasn't even done like programming like every day, if that makes sense. I'm not really holding myself accountable, and I haven't been studying too. I keep telling myself it's summer, I should be having like the time to myself, but if I don't progress, then I don't see a future. Like I would say software engineering, or software engineering, which I want, you know. This is a great tracker. Please give student's name. Okay, right here we're gonna have to create a for loop. I hope I did that right. I did do it right. Okay, so we have it. So we had three different arrays. So it's hitting each element, so it's working proper. And here we need to make it so we're getting the I want to say the student's name. To do that, we have to initiate it here. Or initiate it here. I'm trying to remember exactly how to do it. I know with the scanner class, it's like .xcnr next line, right? Like, okay, so it means student. I hope this works. Hold on, sorry guys, like give me a second. I'm trying to figure out exactly what I'm doing wrong. Okay, I got it fixed, but for some reason I didn't have that. So 6 please student's name, and then what's called, we're getting it right there. And then we also want to have like the grade, so it would be like Hassan, and then please enter grade right after. All right, well, we got this going down, but they wanted to have like some more finesse, like, so after this line, we'll have a system out that print, okay? Just so it looks like more efficient. Yeah, see? All right, so that was like that finesse. And then we stored our grades, and then so when we get out of here, in fact, we can make it easier. Please give student name. Okay, we have that right there. So we'll exit out this for loop. It gets stored, and then we're gonna print it right here. Your student's grade average is, and then what are we doing here? It says and then over here, what do we want? This is. Oh yeah, for here we're gonna have to make another for loop since we want to print it out, and we're gonna be printing down words if that makes sense. So we're gonna be copying the same syntax, everything. So we have it, so it prints Hassan's grade, which is 90, Adon's grade, which is 99, and then EB's grade, and then Adon's grade afterwards. And then we want to have it so we're computing down here, we're going to be computing the average. So we'll be adding up and then dividing, and right here we can make a method. Oh, what are we at? So we want the average, and we have double. Do we necessarily? Sure. to make another for loop. Okay, so to get the average, we have to add each integer, right? So what we're gonna do to get that, I guess each iteration. So we put here we would put grades equals 0. Or here we would want grades equal. And then I guess it'll iterate until grades is hit. And once you drop down, you want grades have equal temp divided by. I'm trying to think this from a logical point of view because the computer doesn't necessarily know how much is in elements. So how would I mention elements with like how would say grades elements without having to like draw out like the grades elements? You know what I mean? I'm thinking like I could put 3 and like fix the output later on, but like I have to I have to know exactly what's going on. I don't want to put 3. I want to put the elements like for like grade. You know what I mean? So he knows like what the hell I'm talking about. And like for this we have to increment it upwards. So I'm just gonna remember. Okay, I could put 3, but I don't want to put 3. So we'll increment it upwards. I'm gonna put 3 for right now, and then it should be returning grades av, and then student grades averages. I know it's gonna mess up. I don't know exactly. Okay. I'm confused. I don't know what's going on. Like, what the heck is going on? Okay, I need to know what the hell am I doing wrong. So I'm calling on the method, what's called grades av, and then I'm also pointing out, like, I want to pull it from the elements grades and then increment upwards, if that makes sense. But here it's saying, it's expecting this BS, and it's having an error with that. What if I just did this and like, see, what the hell? Yeah. No, it's saying on Java 6. It's saying it doesn't understand what this is. I mean, for this one, do I have to necessarily instantialize it? I think it's because I didn't mention what it was. Alright, so for this one we have to do grades double, and no, I'm trying to remember. Yeah, but I'm gonna have to do that. Like, I don't know. Would I have to do that? I mean, I put, because it's not reading, like it doesn't have. Yeah, see, it doesn't have the memory for it. It doesn't remember it, so it's not pulling from here. So like, I guess I have to do that. But like for that to work, I have to like do a lot of other stuff. Let's see. I don't have to do this again and like store it so it remembers. Let's actually chat. Like, say, please chat. I've done most of the work. Please carry it. Oh no. Let's see. Yeah. So my method was off. Okay, I mean for this one it's way different. They don't like it's, I mean the only thing that they actually mentioned would be total right there. I don't got it. Okay, it says right here. I messed up. It should be grades av double and then what's called grades. Oh, it's because we have a fucking, oh, there's my money. I just said the bad word. No, it's because we have this BS right there. It says you want to return an average, so not void, and we should take off the void. I should remember that. I still haven't necessarily touched that topic on the book that I do have. So you're passing the whole grade array. So I mean, wow, that's messed up. Okay. Also, this is wrong. Okay, so I'm gonna remember this for future purposes to not redeclare in there. And I mean we should be good. I think I'm gonna just copy this, right? Oh, no, that's too much. I also have to fix it here. It doesn't matter. You got it done. I mean, shout out to us. You know what I mean? I haven't done this. I would say like a whole week. I haven't done this in a whole week. Well, that's what we basically did last week. I don't know how fast it took me, or how long it took me. Not fast. How long it took me for me to do this? Wow, 30 minutes. I mean, this is it. Like, okay, well. Anyways, that's all for today's video. I'm so sorry that I haven't uploaded, and the dude who commented chat out, you actually got me to program, I guess, today. But you guys saw this. I did this freehand. Most of the time, I didn't ask chat at all. So I feel super proud. So, like, bye, guys. I really do appreciate you guys tuning in, especially that random guy.